Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Calf's Kitchen. Guys, today we are taking a delicious trip down memory lane with a treat that's near and dear to the hearts of so many Ghanaians, Abele Walls. Now if you grew up in Ghana, you know exactly what I'm talking about, right? But for those of you who might be new to this, Abele Walls is our beloved creamy coconut ice cream. It's not just a dessert, guys. It's a feeling, a memory, and a taste of pure childhood joy. I remember it like it was yesterday. School would be out, the sun would be blazing, and the first thing on our minds wasn't homework. It was Abele Walls. We would meticulously save our small change, maybe a few pesewas here and there, just for that moment. The bell would ring, and we would practically sprint out of the gate, eyes peeled for the vendor with their cooler ready to hand over a hard-earned treasure for that sweet, icy treat. It was the ultimate after-school reward, guys. We don't think about anything again. And so the simplicity of Abele Walls is part of its charm, right? It's rich, it's creamy, and it has that distinct, refreshing coconut flavor that just hits different. And today, I'm going to show you how to recreate this classic taste of Ghana right in your own kitchen, okay? Whether you are feeling nostalgic just like me, or you just want to try something new and delicious, you are going to love this recipe. So quickly, I'm going to use some matured coconuts. I'm using about 3 pieces. I have my milk powder, my evaporated milk, condensed milk, sugar. I have my essence. I'm using 3. I'm using vanilla, pineapple, and banana. I'm combining 3. You can just use 1 or any of your choice, okay? I have my carbs and of course my popsicle sticks, okay? So guys, let's get right into it. So I'll start by breaking the coconut into tiny pieces, and then I'll take out the meat from it, okay? Now you need to be extra careful here so that you do not get hurt, okay? Because your knife could be sharper and all those things, okay? So you need to be extra careful. So I'll at this point take out the meat carefully again, right? We'll do that, and then I'll peel off the black things behind the back. I don't really want those ones in my ice cream, okay? But it's totally optional. So just like this, and then I'll peel the back and then cut them into tiny pieces for blending. Now my coconut is ready, nicely cut up, okay? So I'll add it to my blender, but first of all I'll go in with some little water just to aid my blender, okay? And then add this and then go ahead and blend. Now in the absence of a blender, you can actually use a grater for this particular process, okay? It means that you're going to use the tiniest part of your grater to achieve the same purpose, okay? But today I'm using a blender. I think this one is more faster to me compared to using a grater, okay? So you can feel free and use any one that you so desire. So I'll go ahead and blend this until it is nice and smooth, okay? Now it's time for us to extract the juice from the chaff. Okay, so we'll do this. You can use a cheesecloth when you have that, or you can just use a strainer just like I'm doing in the video, but you need to be extra careful so that the chaff do not pour into your juice. Okay, now our juice is ready. It's so rich and creamy, right? It's looking good already. So at this point, so this is the chaff. Okay, I don't know what I can use this for, so if you know what I can use this for, please leave a comment in the comment section and I'll check it out. Okay, so at this point I'll add my evaporated milk. You can use any milk of your choice. In fact, any sweetener in this video you can always substitute your preference, okay, and you still be good to go. So I'll add my milk followed by my condensed milk, and then I'll set it aside. Now, to prevent the milk powder from becoming lumpy, I would have to add my sugar, okay, my granulated sugar to the milk powder and mix it thoroughly before adding to our coconut mixture. Okay, so in this way the powder or the milk powder will not become lumpy when you add it to the coconut mixture. So that's one secret for you guys. So if you want to try it out, please use this method. So that has been mixed properly, so I'll bring back my coconut mixture and then go ahead and add the milk powder and sugar now at this point. So I'll go ahead and give this a good mix for everything to combine properly. Okay, so our mixture is set. So at this point I'll go in with my essence. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm using 3 of them together in this recipe. If you've been following me for some time now, you should know that I just don't use one of the essence. I combine at least 2. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right here in this video as well. You should give this a try, you would love it. Okay, I'll give this a final stir. Okay guys, look at this mixture. It looks so creamy and amazing. Oh, my kitchen is smelling good, guys. So now it's time for us to fill our cups. Okay, so I'll do that gently and I'll pop this in the freezer for about 6 hours, or if you have time you can do this overnight. Guys, this isn't just an ice cream, oh. It's a trip back in time. It's that feeling of freedom after school, you know, the taste of a hard-earned treat and the simple joy of childhood. What other childhood memories can you think of or do you remember? Please let me know in the comments section, okay? Our Abele wall is ready to go into the freezer, so I'll put in my popsicle sticks and then we'll go ahead and put this in the freezer like I mentioned earlier. I got about 26 or 27 cups from this mixture. Yes, so I'm going to share with neighbors and then colleagues at work. And guys, just like that, our coconut ice cream is ready. Guys, look at how this is looking. It's so creamy and yummy. So if you've ever had Abele Walls before, please tell me in the comments below what your favorite memory is. And if you are trying this for the first time, let me know what you think as well. Or do you have a similar thing in your country? Please share all of them in the comments for us to read, okay? And please share your childhood memories with us as well. And finally guys, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more delicious Ghanaian recipes and food adventures. Until then, stay sweet and I will see you in the next one. Bye.